engine 331, engine 341, engine 205, truck 33, truck 30, squad 11, paramedic 18, and battalion 1 respond. For reported dwelling fire, 1318 Meadowvale Road, Cross Street, Sunnybrook Drive, 8 Echo 1, respond hot on Kilo. Kilo, Chief.
Engine 33, engine 18, you take the hydrant at Sunnybrook and Meadowbrook. We go NG at Meadowbrook.
On at Janine and Meadowvale, copy.
Truck 33 to 185, we're going to come in off of Meadowbrook so we can nose into you.
Okay. Engine 185 is on location with a single-family dwelling. We have structural damage to side A wall. Do not appear to have any fire evident at this time. We do have a heavy odor of gas. Requesting priority 1 response from gas side. Heavy odor of gas in the area. All units stage accordingly.
Structural damage to the home. Notifying DG&E priority 1 on the gas side.
Also requesting county police for assistance in evacuating dwellings on Meadowvale.
Second hydrant, Meadowvale, Sunnybrook.
Okay.
Station Battalion Chief 1.
Battalion Chief. No communications. Lieutenant 18, you have any other further updates other than your initial BIR? Still investigating. Okay. Command engine 33. 33. Send your crew up to assist engine 18 if we need to start evacuating the adjacent dwellings. Or actually start evacuating the adjacent dwellings.
Okay, Chief, have a crew of 4. We'll do 2 and 2, evacuate adjacent.
Truck 30 staged on Furnace Avenue.
Truck 33 to command, do we have anybody evacuating from Kenwood?
Negative this time. Stand by. Command Lieutenant 18, you'll be in charge of the investigation. Lieutenant 33, you'll be in charge of the evacuation. 33, do you need more resources up there with you?
Chief, we're walking up right now. If, I'm not sure what the staffing on 34th crew is, but yeah, that's correct. We can use 34th crew.
Okay. You better have other responding units come in the way that you did. I'm up here with truck 33 and engine 34 at the corner of Meadowvale. Lieutenant 18 to command. We're going to be charging an attack line. We may have a situation in the basement, and the attack line will be going in from the Charlie side. Copy. Command engine 34, send your personnel up. You're RIT. Copy, RIT.
34 copies, Red. 331 to 25, let me know when you're ready for your water.
5 is on location, Furnace and Janine.
Okay, 205, send your personnel up and assist engine 33 with the evacuation. Lieutenant 33 with the evacuation.
185 to the engine on the plug, go ahead and charge that line. Water on the way. Evacuation command. Pad tags on the rear steps of engine 18.
Okay, copy, accountability set up in engine 18. Tell 205 the way you came around for their best access to hook up with you.
205. Come around Janine, then make a left on Meadowvale.
Lieutenant 18 to command. Good, investigate. Go ahead and make me fire attack. I've got paramedic 18, my firefighter, and truck 33 on the Charlie side. We have gas and electric shut off to the basement. We have an all clear in the basement. Still do not have an all clear in the first floor. Okay. You said about the structural damage. Is that where the gas is coming from? You talked about the structural damage. Is that where the gas came from? Structural damage. ascertain that at this time. Go ahead and start a building inspector as well.
Okay. 18 charged to left. Battalion 1 fire alarm, I'm up on Juliet.
Up on Juliet, Battalion Chief 1. BG&E has been notified and they are en route.
Okay, give them instructions when they come in to come around Janine Drive to Meadowvale to have better access to the house. Also, going to need a county building inspector dispatched.
Notifying County Building Inspector and BG&E Janine to Meadowvale.
Swelling. What's the status on evacuating? We're still going to need that.
Battalion Chief 1, Juliet.
Evacuated. County police are evacuating an elderly couple from the Delta at this point. That should be sufficient.
Furnace and Janine. Them around there. Replace the occupants in.
County police have a car. They're putting them in right now. That way they'll stay warm and safe. We're going to pull a backup line off engine 18, and that way we have a red line ready to go.
Okay, I already signed 34 to RIT. Their personnel were working their way up there. They should be there. Command of Firefighter Engine 34, are you up there for RIT?
That's right, Chief. We're assisting.
Okay. Command Lieutenant 31, just stick with the evacuation. Let me let 34 handle the RIT.
Okay, Chief.
I want to follow Juliet. Go ahead.
Fire taxi command.
Command, go ahead.
We had a small amount of fire in the walls. We've opened it up. Just a minimum amount of water to take care of that. Checking for extension at this time.
Okay. I've got the building inspector through fire alarm on Juliet requesting what type of damage that we have to the structure. We're requesting the inspector out here. Can you give me some information on that?
185 to 33. Pressure's fine. 321 copy.
Fire tactic command.
Got fire tech.
When you get a chance, if you can get a crew with some lights to the basement from side Charlie.
Okay. Commander Truck 30, Golf Lieutenant 31, need to charge evacuation. See what you need. Command 2, Squad 11, Truck 30. Who's ahead of the other?
Truck 30.
Okay, Truck 30, work your way around. I believe your best access will be coming around Janine Drive also, and get those lights for fire tag.
Okay, Janine Drive.
Copy that.
Truck 30 copy. Sign broke.
Tell you want to follow Juliet.
Battalion Chief 1.
You're going to have to wait on that for a minute. I haven't been able to get up there. I'm blocked out by apparatus. I can't get a visual on exactly what we need it for, so I'll be back with you in a minute.
Copy, Battalion Chief 1.
Command 2, Truck 30.
Truck 30.
Go ahead and continue around per the instructions from engine 18. However, I've got the driver right now back at Truck 33. He's going to move the truck up. He might have a better access to get me lights.
Okay. You want us to just hold down Sunnybrook?
Yeah, you can do that at this time. Just work your way around there and just hold up.
Okay.
Command to fire tag.
Go ahead.
When you get a unit out here.
Can you see the dwelling?
No, I haven't been able to make it up that way. Truck 33 is moving out. I'm going to be able to get better access, but I've been blocked out about halfway down the street until this point.
Okay, there's obvious damage to the walls from outside. We had an active gas leak in the basement that's been secured. Electricity space.
Your lights.
Okay, let me know when you get there. I'll give you face-to-face.
Okay. Coming up now.
Evacuation to command.
Command, go ahead.
Vehicles coming out that way.
Lieutenant 31, hold over here for a second.
And Detroit 5 from here. Transfer to Company 33. Okay, Detroit 5.
285, change your destination to 18.
285, okay, Colony 18.
1. Okay, just to give you an update here, I'm able to get a visual on it now. I thought we had damage to the dwelling from the exterior. This is damage from an internal explosion. We have the house that is, the alpha part of the house is jutting outwards. The Bravo side part partially is gone. So the building inspector is going to be needed for that. Probably going to be a condemned situation here. Also, at this time, the gas has been shut off. Utilities have been shut off, still waiting for BGE. And we have evacuated the dwellings on both sides of this house.
Chevy Battalion Chief 1 will notify the building inspector.
Okay. Understand the damage is coming outward, not inward. My assumption was I thought we had maybe a vehicle or something that struck the dwelling, but it's just the opposite of that.
Battalion Chief 1, damage from the inside, internal explosion.
Also, we had some fire inside the dwelling that's been extinguished at this time.
Fire extinguished, Battalion Chief 1.
Location of Colony 18, Gary?
1318 Meadowvale Road.
Responding. What's tech count?
Kilo.
Lieutenant 31 is going to meet him and do a face-to-face.
Guy's correct. I'm trying to get around engine 331.
Fire attack to command.
Man, go ahead.
Gas out on location.
Yeah, I was just told they just arrived. They're working their way on up the street. Lieutenant 31 is going to meet them and bring them to your location. I just made it up here myself. I've got the visual now.
Okay, let them know that it appears we do have an outside leak still active at this time on the alpha side of the dwelling.
Okay. Command Lieutenant information.
That's correct. Command, we sent BGE down Oakdale. Be up there in a minute.
Copy. Lieutenant 31, copy.
Messenger Battalion 1 to follow up, Juliet.
What?
I'm going to be away from my unit for a bit. I'm going to go up to a face-to-face with Lieutenant 18, so if you need me, get me on the tack.
Copy, Battalion Chief 1.
Fire attack to command. Emergency contact number from a realtor. So I'm assuming that the dwelling is vacant at this time.
Okay. Battalion 1 to fire 11, Juliet. BGE also on the electric side. Got an arcing wire on the Charlie side of the dwelling.
BGE on the electric side for an arcing wire.
Safety 5 arrived. It's Sunnybrook in Meadowvale.
Location safety 5. Battalion Chief 1.
Battalion 1.
BGE electric side, ETA 45.
Okay. Command is Squad 11.
Squad 11.
Can you make your way up Meadowvale? How many personnel you have?
Furnace Engineering at this time.
Can you make your way up Meadowvale off of Sunnybrook?
We can go up and try, Chief.
Okay. I just want to use your unit to get our personnel out of the weather for a while between your unit, truck 42 and engine 18. Let people get out of the way because we might be up here for an extended period of time.
Okay.
331 to Squad 11. I don't think we're going to fit down Meadowville.
How far up Meadowvale from Janine is it?
It looks approximately like you got 500 or 600 feet of hose in the street.
Okay, the hose is coming in from Janine or from the other direction?
The hydrant's at the corner of Janine and Meadowville.
Okay.
Squad 11, I want you to come up Meadowvale off of Sunnybrook. The street's wide open.
Okay, Chief.
That he's going to need to shut down from his meter when he finds it. So until that time, we're going to be holding units on location.
That's for rehabilitation.
Copy, Battalion Chief 1. And do you need any other resources for rehabilitation?
Not at this time. I've got enough equipment here out on Meadowvale that we can personnel it. I'll let you know.
Copy, Battalion Chief 1.
Battalion 1 to fire 11, Juliet.
Chief 1.
Electric's been shut off by BGE. Meter's been pulled. Working on the gas at this time.
Okay, Battalion Chief 1.